Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through and here's a guide on how to make Wells Fargo appointment in app. So let's get started with the guide and steps on how you can easily make Wells Fargo appointment in the app for 2025 option. So let's get started. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app, then launch the app on your phone and log into your account using your username and password. Then tap the menu, which is the three line icon or more button. Then on the home screen, tap the menu icon or the more tab to expand the option. Then select an appointment. So to do this, scroll down the menu and tap make an appointment, which is under the option. Then choose your service type. So select what the appointment is for, like opening a new account, loan help, notary, or financial advice. Then the next step is to pick a branch location. So use your locations or enter a zip code to find a nearby Wells Fargo branch. Then select your date and time. So choose from the available days and times listed for that branch. Then confirm your details and submit. Then after that, enter your contact information if prompted. Then confirm appointment to finish. And that's how you can easily make Wells Fargo appointment within the app. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more because you're asking out. And that's it.